everybody, it's been a while. It is January right now. Actually, it's January 15th. It's been a while since the last time I recorded. I haven't sewn in a full month, which is very unusual for me. I decided to take most of January off, but I'm here today to give you a sign that I'm still alive. And also, I unexpectedly went to the Liberty sample sale yesterday, which is something that I wasn't even aware of. This is apparently the first time in their 170-ish year history that they've done something like this. And let me tell you, when I say sale, I mean 70% off, which is unheard of. If you don't know Liberty, it's a British heritage fabric and print brand. They make the most beautiful prints. They print them on cotton, on silk, and on crêpe de jean. And I was there yesterday, and let me tell you, it was mayhem. Thankfully, my friend and I were there quite early in the morning, so we got a good slot and we got a good lay of the land for everything that was available. And I came back with quite a few bags. I came back with 3 bags full of fabric, and I'm here now to give you a haul of what I bought. So what they did basically is they had different areas with boxes full of pre-cut fabrics. The pre-cut ones were basically the cottons, and they sold them in packets like this. And they sold them in different lengths. So there were 1 meter packets, 2 meter packets, and 3 meter packets. And 1 meter sold for $7.95 per meter, which in comparison to 25 pounds a meter for their normal cotton range, it's called Tana cotton, is insanely cheap. So if you calculate that, I paid 24 pounds for 3 meters of Tana cotton versus 65 pounds for 3 meters, which is really good. So that's the first one I got. I mean, this is such a classic like print. You can't do anything wrong with that. This is going to be a beautiful summer dress. I already kind of know what I want it to look like, and I love blue. You know, I'm a sucker for blue. I think it's just the easiest color to wear in summer. So that's the first one that I got. I have 3 meters of this, so it's definitely going to be a pretty easygoing everyday summer dress. In the same fashion, I got this cute floral print, which looks a little something like this. I think it's very pretty. I mean, it does have a bit of an interior design-ish character, but it's definitely going to be a beautiful summer dress as well. It's a little bit see-through, so I'm probably going to line this. I think that this could make a really nice Reformation style summer dress. So also got 3 meters of this, very excited about it. My friend got exactly the same one as well. Okay. So I've got a few blues, and now I'm going into the darker shades of things that I got. First one is this, which I think is pretty cute. I think it looks a little bit like tiny little lemons, like a little lemon print. It's not explicitly lemons, but the yellow suggests that it's some kind of citrus fruit. And it just made me think of like Tuscany in Italy for some reason. And I know that I've seen like men's shirts and like men's ties and bow ties in men's shops with this exact fabric. I'm even gonna say I gave my uncle a handkerchief in that pattern this year. But I like it. So I think this could also be a very cute summer dress. Something that is also easygoing and easy to wear because it's darker. It's not like too like loud. It's a very calm but fun print. So I think this is going to be also a very nice choice for summer. I really like the weight of their Tana cotton fabrics. It's just very, very nice to touch. It's kind of silky. It has a silky feel, although it's cotton. So I've got 3 meters of this as well. So this is one of the darker ones that I got. And similar to that, did I get this here, which has these big flowers on it that I think are quite cute. And I think this could be a really nice like Hawaii shirt style blouse, you know, similar to the one that I made with the ugly fabric last year, the ugly fabric dress challenge that I made. Not that this is ugly, this is beautiful, but I think it could be a very, very cute, like even a romper, or yeah, like a Hawaii style shirt, or like a wrap shirt. I think this is very cute. It's a bit like 80s, 90s, and I like that. It makes me feel cozy. So, yep, that's one of the darker ones I got. And now, getting to the more expensive choices that I made yesterday. I'm so excited about this. I got some silk, which again, silk normally I think sells for about 49 pounds a meter, and yesterday they sold it for $19.90, which is just incredible. So for 3 meters of silk, I paid 60 quid instead of 150. So let me show you what I got. I mean, also, isn't their packaging the cutest? I love this purple color. It looks so rich and nice. Okay, so these I actually got in combination with each other. I like mixing prints. I think that's a cool thing to do, to make something you make yourself stand out a little bit more. So making something not just from one plane or one pattern, like one printed fabric, but making something from two kind of like acquainted prints that go well together. I got 2 meters of this, which is this beautiful stripe, like squared stripe design. And as you can see, it has a very navy dark blue, it has a brighter blue in the middle, it has a very nice auburn orange and a like purple in it, like a, what is it, like lavender purple. So this could be like a longer blouse, like a blouse dress, a dress shirt, like a long dress shirt that you could potentially wear without trousers. So it's long enough to wear as a dress, but you can easily style it as an actual blouse. And in combination with this, I thought, why not give it a collar and cuffs in this fabric? Which you're gonna probably think, wait, this is very different. But it has the same dark blue and light blue colors as this fabric, or very similar. And then it has this like orangey red square in it. The only other color that's introduced here is like yellow and green, but I kind of think it works. It's a bit out there, but I think as like an accent color to accentuate the collar and the cuff, it could look really cute. So I'm curious what you think. So I got 2 meters of this and 2 meters of this. Evidently 2 meters just for a cuff and a collar is a bit much, so I'm probably going to be able to make something else out of this as well. So I have enough to make multiple projects from this. And lastly, the queen of the ball. I don't know, is that a saying? The belle of the ball? The belle of the ball, I think is a saying. I've got a fabric that just blew my mind when I saw it. I think the colors on this are just absolutely gorgeous. And it's this, it's a purplish dark blue with these amazing big, like almost like watercolor flowers. And I just think it's so gorgeous. Look at this orange, like this fiery sunsetty orange here with the beautiful green and the yellow tones. And I just think on this dark blue, it's so rich and gorgeous. So I got 3 meters of this, and this is definitely going to be like a showstopper dress. And I'm super excited about working with this. I even might make it into a wedding guest outfit video this year. A bit of a teaser, but we'll see. I just think this is very beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, and that's everything I got yesterday. I mean, it's quite a lot. There's gonna be a lot of projects ahead of me with all of these fabrics that I now have, in addition to my other stash. Like, it's not like I ran out of fabrics, I just had to seize the opportunity. Anyways, so as I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna take some more time off this month, so I'm just back here to say hi and let you know that everything's fine. I'm just taking a little break, and I'm already conceptualizing and working on my upcoming project, so we'll be back in February with more, and I'm super excited to see you then and chat with you in the comments when I'm back. I hope you had the most wonderful change of year, and you can find the energy to get a good start into 2023. And I know that's not always easy. Speaking from experience, January can be hard, but don't be too hard on yourself. Give yourself grace and time to get going, as you always do. So, see you soon.